One of the most intense snowstorms that we've had this year. I mean, the snowflakes were huge and the temperature dropped. It had to be like 15 degrees today within maybe like 5 or 10 minutes, and then this snowstorm came out of nowhere. But I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's ice that is frozen on the Mavic 2, and it's frozen on the props, and it's frozen on the drone. And at one point, the drone, there was so much snow coming down that it just wanted to land, thinking that it was landing on the ground. I had to stop it from landing in order to make the flight. It was crazy. I've never had that happen before in the snow, ever. But I put it through its paces. I did lose visual line of sight for a little bit, going over the trees over the lake. But I kept it low. I was at about 60 feet, and I wasn't out there long. I know, I broke the rules. I know it. But this was a fantastic flight, because it just keeps pushing the envelope, a little bit more and a little bit more with the wetsuits, as if I haven't pushed already. But yeah, this was this was a phenomenal flight. My hands froze before anything else happened. There's a lot of different ways to have fun with your drone, and this is mine. So the legs were frozen, the props were frozen, the top was frozen. It was just so cold, and those flakes were coming down like I've never seen that before. I've never seen snow like that before.